if you're in a very difficult place,
Yes.
to eat is a problem.
Yes.
You don't even have a place to sleep. The future looks bleak. The economy has a free fall almost. Things are multiple times more expensive today than they were 8 years ago or 5 years ago. Maybe you've gone to school, you've graduated, and you really don't know what to do. Here are things I suggest. Number one, don't give up. Because when you give up, you don't know what to give up when you give up. Don't give up. Number two, believe in God. Believe in God. I'm not asking you to become religious. Believe in God. Believe in God. There is a God in the heavens that rules in the affairs of men. That's an absolute. Somebody may argue. There's no room for argument now. Yes. You can say, what about this? What about that? Well, I don't have all the answers, but I do know. That changed my life forever. Number three, adjust your thinking. Don't you put on the mentality that there is a shortcut in life. You're going to walk your way through this life. You have to be willing to pay the price. There is a price tag for success. So, number three is change your thinking. Number four is be willing, despite your sufferings and challenges, despite where you're starting from, be willing to pay the price of success. Don't be looking for shortcuts, is what I'm saying. There's no shortcut. Every shortcut you take will cut you short of that place you're going. And the final thing is that I want you to have a solution mentality. Say to yourself, I don't have the answer, but I'm going to be part of the solution. Instead of enumerating the problems, going to beer parlors, people are hanging around, drinking, eating ngwongwo and isiewu and just talking and talking. Leave talk alone. Make up your mind, I'm part of the solution. The final thing I'll say, be open, be flexible. In fact, I will even say, go to school, formal and informal. Listen, you say, I don't have anything. Yes. Education is not all formal. Begin to educate yourself. Any opportunity to learn, to read a book, read. Because if you keep seeking for knowledge, if you keep seeking, despite your poverty, don't make your material poverty to be a mental poverty. Educate your mind. Don't let your environmental factor to become a mental challenge. Educate your mind. If you keep seeking for knowledge, a day will come when you, despite where you started from, become a fountain of knowledge. In that day, you will know that knowledge will put you over the top, especially if you partner with God.